In the dynamic world of iGaming, standing out in a crowded market requires innovative marketing strategies that captivate and engage users. One of the most effective yet often underutilized tools in this arsenal is push notifications. When leveraged correctly, push notifications can drive significant traffic, enhance user engagement, and ultimately boost conversions for your iGaming campaigns. In this blog post, we'll delve into how you can harness the power of push notifications to supercharge your iGaming efforts. What are push notifications? Push notifications are short, clickable messages that appear on a user's device, even when they are not actively using your app or website. These messages can be personalized and timed to deliver real-time updates, promotions, or reminders, making them a powerful tool for engaging users and driving traffic. Why push notifications matter for iGaming instant communication? Push notifications provide a direct line of communication to your users. This immediacy is crucial in the fast-paced world of iGaming, where users are always on the lookout for the latest games, promotions, or updates. Enhance user engagement. By sending relevant and timely notifications, you keep your users engaged and coming back for more. Push notifications can significantly increase user retention rates, which is vital in an industry characterized by high competition. Targeted messaging. Push notifications allow for precise targeting based on user behavior, preferences, and demographics. This personalization ensures that the right message reaches the right user, making your campaigns more effective.